In this video, we'll explore the top 5 electric toothbrushes of 2025, perfect for enhancing your oral care routine. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. At number 5, Oral-B Genius X Limited. The Oral-B Genius X Limited is a smart electric toothbrush that uses artificial intelligence to track your brushing habits. Its advanced sensors provide real-time feedback, helping you brush better every time. The toothbrush features multiple brushing modes, including whitening, gum care, and sensitive. Its rechargeable battery lasts for up to 2 weeks, making it perfect for travel. Paired with the Oral-B app, it monitors your brushing in detail, ensuring optimal coverage. The sleek design and pressure sensors prevent overbrushing, protecting your gums and enamel. At number 4, Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700 is a premium electric toothbrush designed for those who demand excellence in oral care. With its sonic technology, it delivers 62,000 brush movements per minute, effectively removing plaque and stains. The toothbrush includes 5 brushing modes and 3 intensity settings for a personalized experience. Its smart sensors detect areas that need more attention, while the app provides real-time feedback. The DiamondClean Smart comes with a stylish charging glass and a travel case with USB charging, combining elegance with practicality. At number 3, Waterpik Sonic Fusion Professional. The Waterpik Sonic Fusion Professional combines the power of an electric toothbrush with a water flosser, providing a complete oral care solution. Its 2-in-1 design allows you to brush and floss at the same time, removing up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. With 3 cleaning modes, brush, floss, and both, it offers versatility and convenience. The water reservoir is easy to refill, and the brush head is designed for deep cleaning, ideal for those seeking both brushing and flossing in one efficient step. At number 2, Quip Electric Toothbrush. The Quip Electric Toothbrush is a sleek and minimalist option that combines effective brushing with a simple design. Its lightweight build and timed sonic vibrations encourage better brushing habits. The toothbrush features a built-in timer that pulses every 30 seconds to guide proper brushing technique. Its replaceable head and travel cover make it both eco-friendly and portable. Quip's subscription service delivers fresh brush heads to your door every 3 months, ensuring you always brush with the best. At number 1, Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. Philips Sonicare 9900 BSD Prestige represents the pinnacle of electric toothbrush technology. With Sense IQ technology, it adapts to your brushing style in real time, optimizing pressure and motion for maximum effectiveness. Its advanced sonic technology delivers 62,000 brush movements per minute, removing 10 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. The 9900 Prestige comes with a luxury travel case and a sleek charging stand, reflecting its premium quality. With smart sensors and AI-driven insights, it provides an unmatched brushing experience. Here is my top 5 list. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Happy shopping!